I'm Vincent.
And we taught a social workshop at BTO this morning. First things first, we wanted to strip West Coast Swing down to its bare connection, so extension to compression. We did a drill, basically talking about staying in extension for a full amount of time, and we connected through these two fingers, curl around, give a little bit of hug, and this part is static, and what we did is we used the rest of it as our playground for West Coast Swing for our followers. So our drill was the followers going in and out of connection while maintaining this here at the same scale. So mine is like a 5, and then what I do to increase, to ensure that I'm ready to go or ready for stretch, I increase it to like a 7, slightly 2 notches. So we played with the idea of the followers playing around and then going into stretch at any point.
And for the leaders, it would be the same thing. So you move around, okay? You keep this tension. Mine is around like a 4 out of 4 or 5 out of 10. Yeah? So you can do the same thing, moving around while keeping this tension. And then when we're both ready to stretch, we'll increase the tension slightly.
And go. Yep. From here we did just a regular hip catch and out. So it looked like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes. And so what we did from there is we played with stopping here at this point, and then followers found a way out of it. We got some really cool options that someone discovered. But from here, we decided to work on this specifically. 3, 4, followers stretch for 5, 6, right? And then we're going down for 7, 8, connect with my leader, and then push away for a push break or anything else that you want. I was sending weight back, and then on my 1, I send my weight through, and that's how I would set my 1 out of this.
For leaders, the move that you have for this one here, yes, is we connect on 3. And then as we're connecting on 3, I'm going to let go of my tension on Nicole's hip. I'm going to increase my tension on my connection with the arm, and I'm going to walk around.
And all I do as a follower is shift weight to the back, that way I can go for 1. And so we worked on that and deciding who was going to go when, and based off of the connection drill at the very beginning. I think that was it.
That was fantastic.
All right, thank you so much. Bye.
The social focused event from A to Z, Ottawa, Canada.